What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this. I'm going to show you what it's for. It should be the center dash radio bezel wood grain for 1997 Toyota 4Runner Limited 4x4. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this should be the center dash wood grain bezel for a 1997 Toyota 4Runner 4x4 Limited. Now the box seems a little small, in my opinion, for it to be that piece, but I guess we'll see. I did get this from 801 Pullers off of eBay. Says it's 4 pounds. It does not feel like 4 pounds. Okay, so there was large amount of cardboard paper, and I actually use this a lot to burn because it actually makes great ash. It makes my wife's flowers bloom pretty well. There is some more in here. I'm surprised it actually fit in here, to be honest. So here is the dash piece. Nicely bubble wrapped, that's for sure. And I'll do a separate video on the dash piece, comparing it to a 2000. So this will fit 96, 97, and 98. 99 and 2000 are different, and then 2001 and 2002 are different also. And they're not necessarily, 99 and 2000 and 2001 and 2 are not necessarily like massively different. It's just the coloring is different. This is a beautiful dark piece. It doesn't have the, it does not have the cup holder here. Let me bring you guys over here. We'll move this piece back a little bit. Move the light this way. Alright, so on a 2000, these two little holes right here, bring you guys in. So this hole and this hole is not on the 2000 style models. You actually have to remove the climate control bezel or cover. Or if it's a manual knob, you have to remove that cover to get to these screws. On a 2000, they don't have these anymore. You just pop it out. On a 2000, they removed the cup holder from up here, and they put it on the by the shifters on the floor. And on a 2000, these two vents are not sitting next to each other. These two vents, they're actually separate. This stuff right here, so the defrost is actually moved to right here. This hazard switch is moved into the center, and it's a lot bigger. And then the clock is moved to the center, and this vent is actually moved here. That's one of the other differences. This one's in good condition. The one I have in the 97, this whole piece down here is completely cracked. It's in pieces. As an example, this piece on a 2000 is actually plastic. This one is metal. And then this is, the 2000s actually have 2 ports down here. So this 12 volt port goes right here. On 97s and 96s and 98s, they only have one 12 volt port, and it's the one that takes the lighter adapter. On 2000 models, they actually have 2 here and this one right here as well. They added a couple extra. And when it comes to the 2000 models, this panel right here is completely different. So like I said, the defrost button up here is actually moved right here. The ECT button is moved right here instead of being down by the emergency brake. And then you have your security light here, your airbag, or not your airbag, but your passenger seat belt light here. And then you have the up and down switch for the rear window right here. All of the defroster, the security, and the rear hatch window is actually on a 97. It's actually next to the emergency brake handle. So this is metal. And you just twist this till it seats in correctly, and then you turn it. There. Now it's nice and tight. The ashtray is in one piece. It doesn't look like it's ever been used for ashes. It's a nice bezel. I do have an intact cup holder up here in mine. Mine's just really broken down here. But this does have all the clips. So this is the tray for the cup holder. It's got these 2 clips right here are intact. These 2 clips right here are intact. And then this clip is intact, as well as this one on this side. Everything is intact. It looks in amazing condition. It's actually, the vents aren't broken, they're intact, including their little tabs are still intact as well. The vent's actually a little loose. But everything looks pretty good. It's just dirty. I'll do another video showing you everything I explained, but show you the 2000 model sitting next to this guy. There's definitely a little bit of blemishing on the side, but I'm not worried about it. The wood grain looks pretty amazing. I'm going to clean it up a little bit with some purple power to get all the dirt and stuff off of it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick unboxing. It's dark outside. I had to go run to the store, but I will do some more videos on this for you guys. I do appreciate you guys watching, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!